Welcome to this in-depth review and walkthrough of the Game Changer Team Manager app. Today, we are going to dive into everything you need to know about this powerful tool designed for coaches, team, staff, players, and families involved in youth sports. If you manage a team or support one, then this video will help you understand how this app can transform the way you organize, communicate, and track your season. Let's begin with what Game Changer Team Manager actually is. It is a comprehensive team management platform built to simplify all the essential tasks that come with running a sports team. The app combines roster management, scheduling, communication, live scoring, and performance tracking into one easy-to-use interface. This means no more juggling multiple apps, spreadsheets, or group chats, just one central place to run your season. Starting with team setup, you can quickly create your roster by adding players their contact information, positions, and details that matter for your sport. You can build and organize your roster in minutes, which is especially useful at the start of a new season. Once your roster is ready, you can assign roles such as coaches, team managers, or parent contacts, so everyone knows their responsibilities. Next, let's talk about scheduling. Scheduling games, practices, tournaments, and team events can often be chaotic, but Game Changer makes it simple. You can enter all your team dates directly into the app and instantly share them with players and families. Everyone on the roster receives notifications of new events, changes, and cancellations. This eliminates confusion and keeps everyone informed. Scheduling also syncs with personal calendars so parents and players can see team events right alongside other commitments. Communication is a major strength of this app. Coaches can send messages to the entire team, group-specific positions, or individual players. Parents appreciate receiving important updates right on their phones. You can share reminders about equipment due dates, practice changes, or special announcements. All messages stay organized inside the app, which means no important information gets lost in random group chats. Another standout feature of Game Changer is live scoring and updates for teams with busy families or supporters who cannot attend every game. This feature is a game changer. With live scoring, everyone can follow the action in real time from wherever they are. You can update scores inning by inning or quarter by quarter depending on your sport, which keeps fans and families engaged throughout the season. The app also supports photo and video sharing. Teams can capture memorable moments, highlights, plays, drills, and share them with the entire group. This creates a digital scrapbook of your season that players and families can enjoy. Game Changer stores these files so you can revisit great moments long after the season ends. For sports like baseball and softball, the app includes advanced stat tracking. Coaches can record performance data for each player, track metrics over time, and review insights that help with developing strategies and making better decisions. For example, you can track batting averages, pitching stats, defensive plays, and much more. Having digital performance records makes it easier to analyze trends and help athletes improve. Their profiles show progress throughout the season, which is motivating for players. One thing users appreciate is how user-friendly the interface is. The dashboard gives you a clear view of upcoming events, recent messages, team stats, and quick access to live scoring tools are laid out intuitively, which reduces the time you spend learning the app and increases the time you spend managing your team effectively. Parents find the app helpful because they receive instant notifications when plans change, a practice cancellation, or a time update no longer gets lost in a long email thread or a confusing chat. When families are informed quickly, they can adjust schedules without stress and show up prepared on game day. Coaches benefit as well because they can delegate responsibilities to assistant coaches or team managers. You can assign tasks like equipment management, snack schedules, or attendance tracking, and keep everything coordinated inside the app. Instead of asking different volunteers to manage responsibilities outside the system, everything stays connected. For teams that compete in tournaments, Game Changer simplifies tracking game results, standings, and stats across multiple games. This gives coaches a big-picture view of how the season is going and allows players to see their performance in context. A tournament weekend becomes easier to manage when schedules, results, and updates are all available in one place. Another feature that users appreciate is the ability to customize notifications. You can choose what alerts you want to receive so you are not overwhelmed by messages. You might want updates for schedule changes, but not every chat message. This customizable approach helps tailor the experience to your priorities. The app also offers premium features. Some of these provide extended access to video highlights and advanced tools for fans and supporters. If you want more from your experience, Game Changer provides options that go beyond the core free tools while still keeping essential team management available to everyone without cost. Now, you might be wondering about security and privacy. The app keeps your team information protected and allows administrators to control who sees what data. Player contact information, images, and scoring updates are only accessible to approved team members and followers. This means your team community stays private and respected. In everyday use, teams find that Game Changer reduces the chaos of season logistics. You can spend less time sending repetitive messages looking for missing forms or confirming attendance, and more time focused on coaching and playing. The app becomes a central hub for everything your team needs throughout the season. To get started, you simply download the app, create your team profile, invite players and families, and begin organizing your schedule. The intuitive setup helps you begin managing your team without needing a long learning curve. This ease of use is one reason the app has become popular with youth sports programs. Imagine being able to send a schedule update, a message, and a live score all from one screen. That is the power of Game Changer. It takes the complexity of team coordination and simplifies it into a platform that works for coaches, parents, players, and fans. As we wrap up this review, think about the challenges your team faces every season. Do you struggle with communication, keeping everyone informed, or tracking performance? If so, Game Changer Team Manager provides a solution that brings efficiency, clarity, and control to your team operations. Thank you for watching this full breakdown of Game Changer Team Manager. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your questions or your own experiences using the app. We will see you in the next video. If you have any questions or inquiries, please share them with us so we can answer them. Thank you for watching.